If you like salad like I do, then this video is for you. In today's video on our bill of fare, we have salad recipe. This is very easy to put together, healthy, but absolutely delicious. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's business. Okay. I have with me here my lettuce, so I'm just going to cut it according to how I want it. If you want to just divide the whole thing into three, you can go ahead and do so, but this is how I want mine. Please, I have washed all my ingredients very well before prepping it. Okay, so we are done with this. I'm just going to remove it from the chopping board and then we proceed to the next ingredients, or I share with you the next ingredient. So I have my cucumber. Now I'm just going to cut that into chunks and then we are good to go. Should you don't want the skin, you can just peel it. Okay, but I want everything, the seed, the skin, and everything. So I will cut that into chunks and then we are good to go. Please, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We will be very happy to see you everywhere as well. Okay, I can't prepare my salad, especially this one, without tomatoes. So I have my fresh tomatoes here, and as you can see, it is very ripe, right from the garden, and oh my goodness, it is so good. Okay, I will then go ahead and add my green bell peppers. If you want to use the red, any color you can use it, but with my salad I always prefer to use the green bell peppers. Now I have with me here my onions. Okay, I'm chopping some onion and we are using the purple one, which we always say the red one. I don't know why the thing is purple, but we call it red onions. Now I have all these ones. I will just go ahead and add the white onion. Okay, and all the onions that I'm using, they are all sweet ones. Okay, I'm using the sweet ones, the one we use for salad. Now I have my carrot here. I will cut that as well into chunks and we are good to go. Should you want the one we use for the salad, those whole ones, okay, which are very small, the baby carrots, yes, that's the name, you can use that as well, but this is what we are going for today. Yes, I feel like chopping something. That is just by the way. So now after we are done, I will be with you shortly, but before we come back or I show you what we are going to do next, please do not forget to like this video. Okay, thank you so much. Now the next ingredient is my avocados. Do you know I started eating avocados just last year? I didn't know avocados taste so good like that. Yeah, and now I'm addicted to it. Yes, so we will add our avocados. I always want the creamy and then the matured ones. If it is not creamy, no, I don't like it. So we are just going to cut that into the sizes that we want. Should you want to mash it, oh my goodness, you can mash it, and that also tastes so good when you add it to your salad. I have another salad recipe that I mashed the avocados, which I will be bringing to you very soon. You will fall in love with it, trust me. So I will cut that, and when we are done, I will introduce the next ingredient to you. We used only the half, okay, for this recipe. Now I have my eggs here. If you don't know, my husband sometimes call me snake in this house because I love eggs. Okay, I can eat like one crate. That is just by the way. So I'll cut it like this, or I will divide each into 4, and after everything, this is how our salad is looking. Oh my goodness, We added some avocado lime dressing to that, and we are just going to add our mayonnaise. That is what I've added, and we added some tomatoes ketchup to that, and we paired this with our jasmine rice, and oh my goodness, it was so nice with some fish stew, fried fish stew, which I will bringing you the recipe very soon, but I have one on my channel and my Facebook page. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. It's bye.